Welcome to Chop Busters. Today we're diving into 20 standout Makita tools that are guaranteed to impress. Get ready to see what makes these tools favorites among pros and enthusiasts alike. Makita Hammer Drill delivers drilling speeds about 30% faster than the previous model, driven by a high-output brushless motor. A lighter dust collection system improves handling and uses a light guide to keep the bit illuminated. Advanced vibration control and an automatic safety shutoff provide a stable, confident operating experience. Makita 10-inch slide compound miter saw pairs a 13-amp, 4,500 revolutions per minute direct drive motor with a 36.2-pound portable design. It offers 0 to 47-degree miter cuts in both directions, a dual rear bevel lock, and cutting capacities of 12 inches at 90 degrees and 8.5 inches at 45 degrees. The driver drill delivers 180 Newton-meters of torque with a high-power brushless motor and a new medium-speed mode that speeds up heavy-duty fastening. Long screw driving is about 2.7 times faster than the previous model, and the tool handles tasks from countersinking to large-diameter siding drilling and concrete drilling on the hammer variant. This next Makita impact driver delivers up to 2,040 inch-pounds of torque from a compact brushless motor, backed by 4 speed settings and digitally controlled modes for versatile fastening. Its tightening mode accelerates work with self-drilling screws in thin metal, while reducing the risk of stripping or damaging the material. This Makita Vacuum delivers 102 cubic feet per minute of suction power through a 40-volt brushless motor while operating over 60% quieter in normal mode. Weighing only 11 pounds, it provides up to 3 hours of continuous runtime on the low setting and uses a high-efficiency particulate air filter that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. The Makita Reciprocating Saw in the 40-volt line delivers strong cutting performance with a chain-vise that firmly secures the workpiece for improved accuracy. Enhanced structural rigidity around the crank mechanism boosts efficiency, and a built-in spring keeps the chain stable throughout the cut. This rebar tying tool from Makita is the first 40-volt 16-gauge model, delivering ties up to 65% stronger and up to 3,600 ties per charge with a 2.5 amp-hour battery. Each reel provides as many as 245 ties of 3x3 rebar, with precise wire dispensing to reduce waste. This Makita belt sander delivers cordless convenience with sanding performance up to 20% faster than comparable corded models. A large adjustable front grip supports flush sanding, while the 3-inch belt and variable speed range of 390 to 1,540 feet per minute provide fast, controlled material removal. Makita Rechargeable Chainsaw delivers engine-level power with a class-leading 24-meter-per-second chain speed driven by an outer rotor brushless motor. Its top handle design places the battery near the grip for excellent balance, reduced wrist strain, and a lightweight 3.0 kilogram build. Makita Stick Vacuum offers 4 selectable suction modes with a memory function and uses a high-speed brushless motor optimized for strong, efficient cleaning. A built-in LED light improves visibility, while the lightweight design reduces fatigue during long periods of use. Makita Air Compressor delivers strong airflow for interior nailing and other regular pressure tools in a lightweight, battery-powered design. A belt drive system lowers noise for comfortable indoor use, while an oil-free pump minimizes maintenance. The Makita Drywall Saw offers adjustable cutting depth, a secure screw-down blade clamp, and a trigger lock for controlled operation. An integrated LED light improves visibility, and the tool connects to a dust extractor for cleaner cutting. It provides cutting capacities of 30 millimeters in drywall and 15 millimeters in wood. Makita Reciprocating Saw delivers high cutting efficiency with a brushless motor 3,000 strokes per minute performance, and a 32mm stroke. Its compact single battery design improves maneuverability, while reinforced gearing and enhanced lubrication increase durability. Makita Pruning Saw provides strong 40-volt brushless cutting power in a compact, lightweight design ideal for tight space pruning. Toolless chain adjustment, automatic lubrication, and an oil window simplify maintenance. This Makita work light outputs up to 10,000 lumens across 3 brightness modes and provides up to 8.5 hours of runtime on low with 2 18-volt batteries. Its IP65 rated build resists dust and water, while cool-running LEDs and adjustable aiming knobs deliver reliable, focused illumination. Makita 36-volt brushless water blaster offers a portable, low-noise alternative to petrol models, delivering up to 1,160 pounds per square inch with high and low pressure settings. It features self-priming up to 1 meter, a 50-liter tank, and a maximum flow rate of 6.3 liters per minute from an 800-watt motor. This power-assisted flat dolly moves up to 130 kilograms with a brushless motor powered by 1 or 2 18-volt batteries. It provides up to 60 minutes of runtime, 2 speed settings up to 3.5 kilometers per hour, and a reversible flatbed with side rails for flexible material transport. This brushless planer delivers corded level cutting power with increased depth capacity and automatic torque adjustments for consistent performance. AWS enables wireless vacuum connection, while dual-sided chip ejection and a 2-blade carbide cutter head ensure clean, smooth results. This portable power supply uses up to 4 18-volt batteries to deliver extended runtime at lower cost, while supporting direct power for 18-volt, 36-volt, and 40-volt tools. It can function as a backpack unit or a stationary power pack, and a pivoting tool adapter improves maneuverability during use. This robotic vacuum uses intelligent sensors and 2 selectable cleaning modes to automate commercial and industrial floor maintenance. A defined area setting allows targeted cleaning, and 2 parallel 18-volt batteries provide up to 120 minutes of coverage for spaces up to 300 square meters. As we wrap up, the Chop Busters thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again for more great tool discoveries. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way, and keep exploring the tools that make every job easier.